Austin's spirit remains undaunted. America's spirit remains undimmed.
So we will wipe away our tears, stiffen our spines, and face the future undaunted.
Our lives, and we don't always pay attention to it. And we don't always celebrate it, and it's certainly not usually on a television screen. It's not always reported on, but that's who we are. And if there's anything that was a theme in that interfaith service is that out of these... But we also come together today to reclaim that state of grace, to reaffirm that the spirit of this city is undaunted, and the spirit of this country shall remain undimmed.
Mr. President, in your last State of the Union address, you said of the American people that they are clear-eyed, big-hearted, undaunted by challenge, and optimistic.